Alright, 710 every day here for a firearms review. This is a tabletop review of the Glock 17 Gen 4 9mm handgun. And when you get this firearm, it'll of course come boxed. It includes 3 magazines, which is a very good bargain for what you pay for the firearm. I think I paid $586 for the Gen 4 back about a year and a half ago. So you can tell this is the Gen 4 because of the aggressive side panel stippling, finger swells, and backstrap stippling. Of course, this firearm has been safety checked. Going to do it again on camera. Nothing again on the chamber. So this firearm is clear. You can see 1,000 videos on this handgun. For me, I have over 1,000 rounds fired through this particular handgun and have never had any kind of hang-up whatsoever. I've used 124 grain ball ammo and 115 grain hollow points through it. I've never had an issue. The big thing with Glocks is that you get a variety of accessories. I mean, you can get everything from 30-round mags, different type of sights that you can place on there. I have the factory sights on here, but you can get various different sights. Night sights, tritium sights, anything you can think of as far as aftermarket sights. I do have a grip plug here, which keeps, this is actually a cheap accessory you can get on here, which I do highly recommend. It keeps any kind of lint or sediment getting in there. But as far as that goes, I've pretty much kept it stock. This has been a very reliable firearm. I actually do have a very small clip video of me firing this at the range, which I've had to do through a cell phone, which, is not ideal, but it's just something I did just while I was at the range, just to show me firing the actual weapon. Also, you can get conversions to make this into a carbine, which MegTech sells them. There's the Micro Ronnie. There's all kinds of stuff you can get. You can add the addition of lights and lasers to the single rail here. You can do a light and laser or a combo, which the most appealing thing with the Glock is not only is it highly reliable, but you also get just a slew of accessories, which is very appealing and is a big selling point to purchasing a Glock. Now, I have fired different ammo through there. Like I said, I've fired inexpensive to high-end. Sorry. I do prefer going to the range firing 124 grain ball ammo, which is what I prefer when shooting at the range. And that's basically it. This has been a ultra reliable firearm, and I would highly recommend, if you do decide purchasing a Glock. And now they have the Gen 5, which has the smooth front end of the firearm, which there's no finger swells, which I think I would prefer, because I don't know. I'm not a fan of the finger swells here on the front. But the grip is overall improved over the Gen 3, which I do really like. Now you also get these back straps, which is garbage. I've put them on there, thought it would make a difference. It really doesn't. I just prefer the pistol stock as it is. On the Gen 4, there's been complaints about extractor issues, about hot brass hitting you in the face. I have not encountered that at all. Have not encountered that whatsoever. This has been an utterly reliable pistol. Would definitely recommend anyone who is thinking of purchasing this to go ahead, buy it. There's so much you can do with this actual handgun. You can almost turn it into a PDW, personal defense weapon. I mean, there's all kinds of stuff. Granted, you fill out the paperwork and do all the necessities to do so. But there it is. There is the Glock 17 Gen 4 tabletop review. Thank you for watching.